In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create diet, exercise, and nutrition plans using ChatGPT AI. To get started, open the ChatGPT app or go to the ChatGPT website, then sign into your account and start a new chat. Beginning with a fresh chat helps keep your request organized, especially if you want a complete plan built around one specific goal. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is clearly define what you want to achieve. This is important because the quality of the plan depends a lot on how specific your goal is. You might want to lose weight, build muscle, improve overall fitness, eat healthier, train for a marathon, or simply increase your energy levels. Try to be as clear as possible. The more focused your goal is, the more useful and relevant the response will be. Next, share the important details that help personalize the plan. You can include your age, height and weight, activity level, fitness experience, dietary preferences, and any food allergies or intolerances. It's also helpful to mention what workout equipment you have available and how many days per week you can realistically exercise. This gives ChatGPT enough context to create something that fits your lifestyle instead of giving you a generic answer. After that, ask for a meal plan. You can request something like a 7-day meal plan for healthy weight loss, a high protein meal plan for muscle gain, or a balanced meal plan with a grocery list. ChatGPT can help generate meal ideas, estimated calorie targets, recipes, and shopping lists based on your request. If you want better results, mention whether you prefer simple meals, budget-friendly options, or foods that are easy to prep in advance. Then move on to your exercise plan. You can ask for a beginner workout plan for 4 days per week, a home workout with no equipment, a strength training routine for muscle growth, or a 30-minute cardio routine. You can also ask for warm-ups, cool-downs, stretching routines, or alternative exercises if you have limited space or equipment. From there, you can use ChatGPT to get nutrition advice. It can explain daily protein needs, healthy carbs and fats, hydration tips, portion control, meal timing, and how to read nutrition labels. Just remember, this type of guidance is general and educational, not personalized medical advice. Finally, refine your plan. If the first version isn't quite right, ask for adjustments. You can make the meals more budget-friendly, replace certain foods, shorten workouts, add more vegetarian options, or create a version that works better for busy weekdays. Small follow-up requests can make the final plan much more practical and easier to stick with.